Here is a wonderful 2023 Honda Accord. Prepare to be amazed by the Accord. This midsize sedan offers state-of-the-art safety and connectivity technology, a quiet, comfortable ride, elegant styling, a spacious interior, and powerful performance. It's simply perfect. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, moonroof, heated rear seat, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Quietly powerful, boldly beautiful, simply excellent. The Honda Accord.